Unmasking COVID-19, the truth about bats and the coronavirus. Welcome to today's discussion, where we'll be unmasking COVID-19 and exploring the truth about bats and the coronavirus. This topic has been shrouded in mystery, but today, we aim to shed some light on it. Bats have long been known as natural reservoirs for a variety of viruses. Their unique immune systems enable them to host these viruses without falling ill, a trait that has intrigued scientists for years. COVID-19 is just one of many viruses that bats have been associated with. Others include Ebola, SARS, and MERS. Each of these diseases has had significant impacts on human health, sparking global concern. However, it's important to understand that bats are not directly responsible for these outbreaks. Instead, it's the close interaction of humans with wildlife habitats that often lead to the transmission of these viruses. In the case of COVID-19, it's believed that the virus jumped from bats to another animal species, which then transmitted it to humans. This is called a spillover event, and it's quite common in disease transmission. The virus's ability to infect humans is due to its spike protein, which can bind to receptors on human cells. This feature is what allows the virus to enter and infect our cells, leading to disease. It's also crucial to note that not all bat species carry coronaviruses. Out of the 1,400 known bat species, only a few have been associated with these types of viruses. And even within these species, not all individuals are carriers. Furthermore, human activities such as deforestation and urbanization are increasingly bringing us into contact with bats and other wildlife. This encroachment on natural habitats is a key driver behind the rise of zoonotic diseases like COVID-19. Bats also play a vital role in our ecosystems. They pollinate plants, disperse seeds, and control insect populations. Without them, our world would look very different, and not for the better. When it comes to preventing future pandemics, the solution isn't to eradicate bats or other wildlife. What we need is a change in our behavior and attitudes towards nature. By preserving natural habitats and limiting our contact with wildlife, we can reduce the risk of future spillover events. This will be crucial in preventing the next pandemic. In conclusion, bats are not the villains in this story. They're simply hosts for viruses, just like many other animals. The real issue lies in our close interaction with these animals and the destruction of their natural habitats. So, the next time you hear about bats and viruses, remember the bigger picture. It's not about blaming the bats or fearing them. It's about understanding our role in the spread of these diseases and taking action to prevent future outbreaks. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this discussion has helped to unmask the truth about bats and COVID-19. Let us respect wildlife, protect their habitats, and work towards a healthier future for all.